7.1.
7, about the size of my penis. Okay. This is my rat rod truck. If you watch my other videos, you know where I got this from, you know what it is. Today we're going to be customizing this. Today we're going to be putting murals on the door. We're going to be putting my logo on the door, kind of like an old American shop truck type thing. That's what we're going to be doing on the side. Maybe some other bits. I've got some stuff to do on the front, maybe, if we get to that today. But today I've got a very, very talented airbrush artist coming over, and we're going to be doing some really cool shit on the side of the door. So, as you can see, it is currently got this on the door, but these are just stickers. Didn't realise these were just stickers. So the plan, first of all, is to get these stickers off. They should just peel off. So look, yeah, look at that. That is just a sticker. Let's get rid of this sticker pack and do the real deal, shall we? Wow, I've never had so much trouble getting glue off before. Sticker was the easy bit. Getting this glue off, jeez. I've used a microfiber towel with thinners on it. It's just full of glue. Just glue everywhere. God. Then I started sanding it, trying to see if that would get the glue off. Didn't really help. Now I've had to use a kitchen roll to try and soak this in thinners and take layer off by layer off. But there's still some patches that I've got a little bit on, but that'll do for now. That's just one side. I ain't going to film the other side for you, but there we go. This is now ready for my mate James to turn up tomorrow, and a whole day of designing and seeing what we're going to put on the door. So, switch to tomorrow. Right, first of all, yesterday, as you saw in the video a moment ago, I sanded all the door down, getting it ready for it. So this is the first step, what we're doing.
So we're going to have it so it comes like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we want it to finish about here.
About there, okay. Let me just explain what we're trying to do at the moment. At the moment, James is on the computer, and we're trying to get this onto A4 pieces of paper, but the right size. So you saw what we did outside. It's 2 A4 pieces of paper. We want to print ADHD on one, Customs on the other, make sure they're the right size so they're going to work. But to do that, there's a lot of technical stuff involved. So basically, it's going to be taking the image and the font that I have created in Canva, and he's using Snip and doing PowerPoint stuff to do all that, and it's really technical, and I have no idea what he's doing right now. So, so let's take this look.
Your printer's offline.
Oh, for God's sake.
Switch it on helps. Let's help if you have to switch it on.
Switch the printer on. Alright, so right now, there we go. That's the ADHD part. I actually really like that font now. I think that's really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I like that font. That was just a complete random fluke that I clicked on the first thing.
Yeah, it looks good, that.
Yeah.
Looks good.
So
we'll get that printed out. We'll do the other side as well. We'll print out like 3 copies of each.
Yep.
So we've got one spare. We'll line it up, put some carbon paper behind it, line it up on the car doors.
Yeah.
And then from that then, trace it out, and it's there then, and then we can then start blocking it in.
Happy days.
A few moments later.
James's artwork is actually unbelievable, to be fair. Check out some of his stuff. Go to his Instagram, which I'll put down here now because I can't remember it off the top of my head, but I can just put a thing up on the screen like this. And there we go. So this is what we're going to do. So I reckon I would like to get just peeking over the top of that
Just over
ridge.
the top?
Yeah. Or I don't know. You try. Let's try it on for size and see what it looks like. Right. So if we lay this on, there's about right, isn't it? Yep. I really hope this carbon paper works.
Not the only one.
I really hope this carbon paper works. If not, I don't know. You're going to have to do it all freehand.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah. Yeah.
Or something freehand. I don't care what it is anymore.
Oh, we've only just started.
I know. I've not given up.
Okay.
Right.
I know.
Right, let's get that on there.
That looks right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy. You're the expert here. I'm just there. That is it right there. You watch. We'll pull it off now, and it'll just be black where you're pushing on it with your fingers.
That's not a problem. Once we paint it, we'll just get our rubber out.
I'm not using rubbers on you.
Channel sponsored by Durex.
Oh,
and
God.
Other brands available.
Yeah, it's bloody hot out here, isn't it? Right.
Yeah.
Do you know what? That just looks cool. Let me step back a minute. This is going to be so cool. Oh, that font is perfect as well.
Does that look right?
That looks so cool.
Yeah?
I'm loving this already.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like,
Right, can I just say something? Is it just my eyes, or does the ADHD look smaller than the Customs? No, it's on.
I actually quite like that though.
Yeah, no.
It just I see what you mean. It's kind of like going like,
Yeah.
but only marginally. But I quite
Yeah,
like
no,
that.
I'm. It's a rat rod. It's fine. I'm happy with that. I'm not going through that printer thing again. I'm not doing with it. Right. That's just part of the art now. Okay.
That's it.
So I'm happy with that.
Remember, we're wigging this.
Yeah, we are winging this. No, I'm happy with that.
All right.
Let's just do it. There's no fucking around. Let's just get this done because we ain't got long.
7.1.
7, about the size of my penis. Okay.
I can't believe I'm holding it.
Right, focus.
Seven, focus.
This is a serious channel.
7, and what was the other one?
19.2.
19.2.
Also the size of my penis.
Yeah, a little bit. What do you think will be better? Skewer or that?
I don't know. This is your bag. You're asking the wrong person.
You're as useful as a bloody...
Right now we're going to scribe over the outside edges of it and then see how it turns out. We're going to put it off and see if it actually makes a mark on the vehicle.
Right, ready?
Right, we now have the moment of truth. Pull this off, and will it have left? Oh God, will it have left?
Can we not just leave it like this?
No.
Can't you just drive around with it like this?
Just clear coat over the A4 paper.
Yeah. Look fine, would it?
Right, let's see if it actually worked. Did it work? Did this carbon paper? Is this special carbon paper for this type of thing, or is this?
No, this is.
Just-
They're like 30 sheets for £4 off Amazon.
Oh, great!
So.
Hey, look how terrible mine is there. Wow, it worked.
It worked.
Oh, Granderville. Hey.
Oh, mate, that looks brilliant.
That works so well.
Considering that, like,
That works so well.
it's even cool as well.
Look at this lovely, neat one. And then when I started doing it, it looks like a toddler. Yeah, right. I'm going to stencil the other side and try and do a better job than this, or James gets on with painting this. So yeah, but we're not going to show you me stenciling the other side because we just showed you it. So I'll put a hyperlapse of James painting. So
Yeah.
okay, as you can see, James has done the painting on this top bit. He's now gone to the other side where I've already stenciled on the lettering, and I've stenciled on the pistons. So this side, I'm just going to quickly stencil on the pistons. As you've seen before, it's literally a case of me getting the pen, carbon paper underneath, the A4 printed on top. Finally got the printer to work again, and then it's just a case of me doing the stencil work, you know, just literally just drawing all the details on, and it'll print onto the actual bodywork. Okay, I have just done the stenciling around this. Hopefully I haven't missed anything. I kind of rushed it because we're running out of time and light and stuff, so fingers crossed this turns out the way I hope it will. Oh my god. And I missed a bloody thing. Let's put it back down a minute. I missed this one. So let's quickly do this. There we go. Hopefully that worked. Kind of. Yeah, you can tell what it is. I want you to introduce yourself, but make it like it's a dating profile.
Hi. I'm James. I'm relatively old. I've got a lot of talents, including this.
What are the other ones?
I can make a good pancake.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good at pancakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm fun to be around.
Well, we're getting there. We're getting there.
Yeah, we are. It's coming on.
It is coming on. It's bloody hot.
It's hot. The paint is literally drying instantly.
Yeah.
It's mad.
But we're getting there.
Yeah. Bit more to do.
Yeah.
Alright, Lee, fuck off.
A few moments later.
Right, to try and save time, James has given me the task of having a go. I'm just going to have a go at the YouTube logo. It can't be that difficult to go around them edge and then do that line in the middle. You bell end. So let's see how we get on with this, shall I? Two bell ends have turned up the beers now.
A few moments later.
Now what he's doing is he's using white and going around the other parts to highlight all the gaps and stuff, so it'll make it pop a lot better. Well, it's now 5:20 in the evening. What time did we start this? We started this at 11:30 this morning. It's now 5:20 in the evening. We're still going. We're on the home stretch though. We're on the home stretch. It's just got a couple of pistons to do on the other side, and then we can put some matte clear on. It's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, what we've done now is, what you want to do when you're finished doing all this painting is you want to seal it. We're using matte lacquer for this. This is what I've done on here. I've already done one side. Give it a light dusting at first, just to let it, make sure it's not going to react and stuff, and then I went over it and gave it a nice decent coat. So we're just waiting for James to finish the other side, and then we'll get on with it.
One pair of pants later.
Well, it is finally finished. We have finally got there. I just want to say a big thank you to this man here, right? This man here. Go and check out his Instagram. Link down here. Well, not a link, you know, description here of what it is. Go and check out his Instagram. This man is a legend. He's been my best mate for a bloody long time. I couldn't have done it without him.
No worries,
because he did it all. So
no, cheers, guys. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. So
it's been a lot of fun.
Let's show you guys what it looks like, shall we?
Every second and hour, I think I used to be sweeter, but now I'm feeling too sour. I used to feel on top, and now I'm losing my power. Now I just do it, get a check, and get a meal and devour. I ran out of juice to make the lemonade. Millions like a blast, maybe I'm afraid. But only I don't have to operate. Feeling really fast when I hit the skip, getting these lemons sour all the time. I pucker my lips, yeah, I might be stepping on pills now. Just sitting here
enjoying the sun, looking at what we created, looking at, actually saying that I didn't create it, I didn't build anything on that vehicle. I've literally slapped my logo on someone else's build, but I am going to build it because this is what we do on this channel. It's a perfect advertisement for what my channel is about and what I've lost my way, and I think this has revamped me a bit, and I think Rat is where I belong. It really is.
Yeah.
Rat is where I belong.
To be fair, right, also as well, it's just nice hanging out with your mates.
Yeah.
You know, hanging out.
Chilling out with your mates, doing car stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just nice doing all that. So,
you know?
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bollocks.